Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to enable camera on Android devices. So first of all, launch settings on your Android device. Once you come here, scroll down below. From here, tap on the category of apps. From here you could directly search for camera. Now tap on it. Now over here you'll see the option of permissions. Tap on it. Now tap on the option of camera again. Now in my case, you can see that the option has been selected for allow only while using the app. So if in your case, if the camera's permission is set to don't allow, make sure that you choose the first option on top, that is allow only while using the app. So follow these easy steps in order to enable camera on your Android devices. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.